Hi, this is Sean Bacon with Excellence Inspection Services, and today we're talking about electric panel issues. And actually, the first issue starts before we even get to the panel. As you can see, I'm doing a wide view of the panel and the little storage room that it's enclosed in. And then you can see directly in front of it, but a little bit to the right, is a sump pit with a sump pump in it. And then obviously the little storage room itself. The problem that presents, though, is if an electrician needs to do any type of repairs on the panel, as far as the circuit breakers or the wires, it just doesn't provide a lot of front clearance for that. Normally you like to have about 3 feet of clearance directly in front of the panel to be able to safely and adequately work on the panel. The second thing is that, and as you can see as we take a close-up look at the panel, generally there's going to be a 1 wire to 1 circuit breaker configuration like what we see on the right side of the panel. But as we pan over here, we can see actually one of the circuit breakers has 2 wires going into it, the gray wire and the black wire. That's called a double tap. It's a pretty common issue, but it's also a pretty major issue that an electrician needs to take care of. And then as we pan up 2 wires or 2 circuit breakers, we can actually see that one of the wires started to overheat. And this is really a major issue, because if you have a wire that's overheating, that's definitely a potential for an electric fire that can start inside the panel, inside the walls, and obviously that would be a major catastrophe. So we definitely are going to recommend to this client to have a licensed electrician evaluate this panel and make all the necessary repairs to ensure that the panel and the house is safe. This is Sean Bacon with Excellence Inspection Services. If you'd like for us to perform an inspection for you, please give us a call at 708-299-9235.